Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can change the screen timeout setting to never on this device. So to start off, if you'll go to the settings, display and brightness category and open the auto screen off option of it, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set is unfortunately only 30 minutes. So in order for us to be able to get it up to the infinite value or infinity or never, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. At the search bar you want to type in Caffeine just like so. Once the needed app is found, just go for the apps page, tap on the install and wait for the app to get downloaded and, well, respectively installed. Now we can go ahead and open the application, and here all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout option of it has the infinite value set, and that will effectively mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that was basically it. Thank you so much for watching and bye.